Hey guys, this is Graham Scott with Viasat, and we're back in South Florida here at the headquarters of TCG with the one and only Kevin Zimmerman. Kevin, how's it going?
Yeah, good to see you.
Good to see you as always. So a short while ago, Kevin, our fearless leader, Eric Stark, was here, and you guys went through the whole process of doing an install. If you haven't checked out that video, please do so. There's a link below that you can click and take to that. It's a great video, and it shows how the Viasat install goes and how Viasat can be such a useful tool for your customers to use as a backup. So that video went so well, we had something else we wanted to talk about. That's Viasat Voice. One of the most popular questions we get from our partners is, will voice over IP work over satellite? And Kevin, what do we tell them?
I can tell you that that service absolutely works great over satellite. I tested it myself. I think the one thing that's unique about it is when people ask if hosted works over satellite, they're usually talking about a different product. They're usually talking about an over-the-top solution, whereas this solution is optimized, right, to run over your service. It's got the prioritization. It works very well with all the embedded features.
So what we've got, it's just a simple Grandstream phone. The lines are $25 and it comes with the handset. So normally this is set up over by your rack.
Correct.
Because you guys have got some pretty good voice service here at the office, but for you guys, this is a backup.
You know, it's always good to have like an insurance policy.
Right. And agents that are out there, come by this TCG office. You're welcome to try it out. Give it a listen yourself. See that voice truly does work over satellite. Anything else you want to add to that, Kevin?
That's pretty much it. If you have any questions about Viasat or you want to get in touch with TCG, feel free to hit us up and we'll be happy to take care of all your Viasat needs.
All right, that's it for us. We'll see you guys soon.